Hey, too. Look what just came in the mail. I'm gonna put it by the light. Look what just came in the mail. Here it is. I got this about 7 days ago, and I wonder what's in here. Wait, no. I bought this 7 days ago. Now it's finally here. I'm gonna open it.
Oh no, that's my armor. That stupid diamond.
Can't open it. Here's the part. I wonder what it is. I hope it's Angry Bird. Get this tape off my hand.
When this guy comes back, I'll be ready.
Okay, now, see here. Holy shit. Good look.
You're screaming because you can't believe your eyes.
Now look, this is Ron. This is big.
You can't believe you're seeing this, is that why you want...
Yep. Man. Yeah. Let's see if it makes sounds.
Here comes
Two.
the fresh new armor. The more
Okay, this is my beautiful pink bird.
I got an enchanted sword. Are you ready for that? Or
No.
are you thirsty for more?
Thirsty for more. Shut up. So, this is my beautiful pink bird. I like her eyes.
Oh my god, I'm gonna do this. It's so easy. So I do not want to hurt myself. I have a pickaxe, but I just wasted my fall.
Boom! Ooh, there it is! Ooh, there it is! Now this is my beautiful pink
Are
bird.
you ready? You want to fight me, or are you thirsty for more?
I'm gonna put a Christmas hat on her.
They're thirsty for more.
I think they're not.
This is what they get for making me upset.
Oh! I'm
This
getting
is
my pink bird
They're
one
gonna
out.
get in trouble.
A special
Don't
pink
mess with
bird
me.
out.
Don't mess with me in Minecraft. I'm just warning.
And this is my, now this is a, look, I put a Christmas hat on her, because tomorrow's Christmas and today's Christmas Eve. This is my pink bird. Yup, this is my pink bird.
I'm just trying to warn you. You do not want to mess with me in Minecraft.
This is pink bird, and I like her. She has
But
pretty
I think
good
you think a lot,
detailing.
but you do not.
Wait. This is her. It's pretty cool. You came out of the box right here. My mom's supposed to surprise me and my dad. I'm going to New York City today. It's compared to one one's small and it's big. Cause I got this from, I'll show you what it's called. I can read it to you. Amazon.
Ah, this dude's trying to kill me.
Amazon. This is her. And she's pretty awesome. Really like her. Yeah, and this is my pink bird plush. No one really watches my videos YouTube, so can you please just watch my videos? Only my friend does. Only my friend watches my videos. And this is Pink Bird. She has 3 pieces of hair. See? Just 3 good pieces of hair. See? And she has 3 pieces of tail. And she's so soft. Yeah, that's the part I like about her. And she has hair and this is her. Yeah, so this is her.
I'm so hungry.
The pink bird.
Really?
And love you and bye.